Hey, you've caught up with us along the trail out here again with Geraldine. She is our 1978 F100. Hope you follow along during her restoration. Click subscribe. But we came across a great surprise when Clint took off the bed. We found her original pinstripes. Looky there, orange and yellow. 1970s at its best. We'd had some proof that she had been painted, probably been maybe in a little fender bender or something, so we knew the silver stripe wasn't original. So we were very happy when we found those pinstripes, just so we knew what she looked like back in 1978. So since we uncovered Geraldine's original pinstripes, I'm just Google browsing through here, looking at different pinstripes, trying to find the original options. I come to this truck and I'm like, wait a second, this has the silver stripe, just like Geraldine, but I thought that was spray painted on. I know that's not original. And so I get looking at this truck, I'm like, wait a second, this is Geraldine. I found Geraldine on the internet. There's my tailgate I love. So this is the, I guess the auction host website. The guy that I bought her from only had her for a few weeks and he bought her from this auction. So I'm guessing this is her listing. Oh, lovely bug guard right there she came with. So I'm excited to see all these pictures, and oh man, she had a camper shell, so I don't know, boy, I wish that would have came with her. I don't know if the auction place did this. I don't think the guy I bought her from did anything to her, and her original bumper that we have, I don't know if it's original, but it came with her, was painted. So someone has painted her bumper, and those are definitely not the wheels that are on her now. So I don't know if the auction company changed those out, or maybe the guy I bought her from did something in the few weeks that he had her. But how exciting. Yeah, I wish I'd had that camper shell. So you can kind of see some of her interior. Let me get back up here. So I haven't really been able to showcase her interior on any of our videos yet because we have her kind of in pieces, but I wanted to show you some of her, let me see, oh, my favorite, her horse heads, her horse head radio knobs. I love them, and I do have them, and they are, believe me, going back on. We have all of her dash pieces in a box, but you can see her dash, you know, and really a lot of her interior I think is in really great shape for a 78. There is a split on the dash, but so anyway, I thought that was funny. Just scrolling through here, I'm like, gee, this truck looks familiar. Yep. It's funny. Yeah, definitely not the wheels that I have, unless those are just, you know, they're hubcaps, but I don't know who did that. So anyway, I'm gonna download some of these pictures and I will show them to you in this video. See, we uncut, I love her door panels. I like the blue and tan. We're definitely staying with that. Probably we won't go back to the original pinstripe that we found. But this was fun seeing her here on the internet before she was mine. So anyway, more mysteries of Geraldine uncovered. So yeah, there you go. All right, well, hey, if you guys have any of you guys that have an old Ford truck, 78 model, or have an old like magazine or catalog, I'd love to see the original pinstripe options like we uncovered back there behind our bed. So I'm gonna download some of these pictures and save them. Now, just see, wouldn't have that been fun to went camping in up in Colorado? Well, she's a 2-wheel drive. I wouldn't have wanted to took her up in Colorado and the trails we go, but that'd have been fun camping in that. I'm gonna have to go on the search of a camper shell now, but all right, well, another, I love her tailgate. All right, well, I'm gonna download some of these pictures. If you have any demonstrations of the original 1978 Pinstripes, I'd love to see them. Drop a picture in the comments of this video. Or your Ford renovation, how you did pinstripes on yours, or the chrome strips. I love the chrome strips on the Fords, the old Fords, but Clint's not a fan, so I really don't know what we'll do. She may just have nothing until we can come to a conclusion. But anyway, some more things found out about Geraldene.